What's up, everybody? Gundam Flexing here, and this is Shadow Warriors 2, and I put in quite a bit amount of hours off camera, so I'm completely upgraded. This is my new Gatling gun. I have a lot of great weapons, ton of heavy firearms, rocket launchers. Let me see if I can do that. So my katana sword actually changed into a bigger sword. I progressed through the main storyline a little bit. I have a rocket launcher, heavy firearms. This is obviously my favorite. This is a new one. It does more DPS, but shoots a little bit slower, but I'm going to try this out. And of course, we got my favorite grenade launcher. And this is pretty interesting. This is the chainsaw that every time I do damage to an enemy, it would give me like 0.1 fury back. So I could pretty much go berserk mode on the bottom left of my screen where it says Z. I could just go berserk and kill enemies so quickly. I've also have a ton of upgrades and whatnot. So I'm going to try to test this weapon out and see how it goes. Get that parkour. Okay, so here we go. Let me do this and fire. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, so that was quite quick. Oh goodness. Wow, ran out of ammo really quickly. To be honest, I don't know where they're from. Uh-oh, here we got one more. Straggler. Ow. Oh, by the way, I also have healing property which heals like 1 health per second. So I do a ton of damage. And my health can go up really quick. Oh yeah, this is some heavy stuff. That's probably my favorite weapon now. Alright, so... Oh, and if you're wondering what's going on in the storyline, I really don't know. Not really paying attention. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Get that parkour. Oh, poor guy. He was a little bit late to the party. But yeah, the storyline, quite interesting. And if you look at the top right, we have our map. So usually I just skip the enemies and I'll just go straight to the boss fights. Oh, and since I'm close to getting my fury, I usually pull out my chainsaw and just try to level up on my fury, which I just got this right now. Chainsaw is very satisfying sound. And you can hold it down. And just hold it down. You can even see on the bottom left of my health bar, I'm regaining health very slowly. It's like 1 per second. But I also gain health when I do damage. Alright. So they got one more priest to go. Okay. Oh, nice. Got an ammo depot right here. Gotta get above ground. This guy should be very easy to beat. Back shot. Die! Superior Juggernaut, he's a brand new enemy. I'm not even sure if I'm hitting anything. Oh man, talk about overkill. Get health? Now I can use my favorite grenade launcher, hit everything in close proximity. Oh, Lord have mercy! Unlock the gates, which is close by. I think the map isn't working now. Oh goodness! So that's what's cool about this game. When you die, it'll just take you right back to the last checkpoint. I'm not sure about the penalties, if there are any. Nice. You guys like that? Like that parkour? Got it. Kill the high priest. Okay, now I need to get my chainsaw, and on the bottom left you see the Z, and I just need to bring that up to speed. You see, it's doing so much regeneration right now. Totally worth it. It's already halfway there. Now let me go find some more enemy. Oh goodness, almost fell. There it is. And once I get the enemies. And the reason why we want Fury is because the boss fights will last like 30 seconds. Oh lord! Alright, we got it. Just in case. So what I also like about this game is if you don't have enough health or whatever. Oh, whoa, that's a boss. We gotta fight him. The Toxicer. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm not sure why I'm not really doing damage to him. There he is. Alright, there we go. We got a fortune cookie in the middle of the battle. Uh-oh. Gotta switch. This is the new sword. It's pretty awesome. More enemies are just popping out. Oh, good God. This guy's huge. Wow, he threw a spear. He needs to come up here and fight me. Come on. I'll go down there and fight him. Alright guys, what's up? There it is. There it is. I'm setting them on fire. Let's try to finish this off quickly. This heavy machine gun is okay. This carries like so few ammunition. And that's all she wrote, guys. And just for giggles, I'm already flowing in cash. I mean, every mission I do, I get like 100 grand almost. But this is going to hurt. This won't hurt. Alright. Let me pull out my special gun. Let me reload this bad boy. 200 rounds. Ooh, does this let me do a... Oh, and we got an ammunition point right here. High Priest, huh? Oh no, I'm not going to go against these guys. Boom, here we go. High Priest, eat that, son! And he's dead. That's hilarious, guys. And the enemies in Fury move so much slower. Let's see what kind of goodies he's dropped. Alright. Oh, let's finish this guy off. There we go. Let's get their guts all over the place. Oh, one more. Superior Toro. Hello. Let's get some distance. I just want to collect all the loot, all the booty. Oh, Lord! Another one. You know what? Let's just use this time to regain my fury. Come on. And we almost have our fury, and we got it. So we can switch back to the sword. And there you go. Chop off both your legs, son. And let's open this chest. Oh, that's not a chest. Huh, looking at the map wrong. And I think that's all she wrote, everybody. Let's get this chest in here. Don't really need the health.
It's not whiskey, but it'll do.
And that's it. Ooh, what is this? What is that? Orb of Masune. I don't know what that is. Alright guys, let's go back to our ninja huts. Our little ninja village. And let's go back upstairs and claim the mission that we have completed.
Lo Wang, you accomplished something without destroying the universe. How wonderful.
Oh, Mesu, you're in such a good mood. Did you just come from strangling some kittens?
I'm afraid I have exhausted my stash. Right now, I'm just high on life. If we're still calling it that.
Hey, tell me something. What's behind those gates anyway? Why do we need to seal them up?
It is impossible to describe in human language. In simplistic terms, it is the shadow of reality. The opposite of everything known. All that is unseen.
And what happens is if the gates open?
Our world will be stuck together, bound forever in a chaotic morass. A world without meaning, devoid of shadow.
Alright, I'm gonna just skip this. I'm gonna just say, ooh, what are we gonna get here? Do we want a sawed-off shotgun, which I do love, or a pump action shotgun? Huh. Causes 100% damage. Oh, only the last bullet in the clip does 100% damage. Critical damage, 20 seconds on 3 simul. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys. It don't really matter to me. I mean, I really don't use shotguns very much. I like sawed-off. Do we have any more? Okay, so it looks like on the map a bunch of other missions opened up. And these are probably side missions too. Yeah, they're all side missions. But before we do those, let's go into the gun shop and see if there are any goodies. I'm gonna replenish all the ammo. And I don't need any of that. Soul of Power. Max damage 143. Empowers weapon shots. Don't really use that. I don't think I'll use any of this stuff. I think we better check up on the ninja, see what he's selling, if he is high on life. And I also upgraded my running speed all the way, so I'm just much quicker. Ooh, Lord, that's 116,000. Electrocute effect, 64%. Extra damage is electricity. This one says improves damage conversion to elemental damage. Not really sure if I need that. Nah, I mean I could buy it. Simply because there are some of my weapons that have elementals in it, I guess. Available skill points. Increase the radius. Okay, because I'm lazy, I don't want to walk around and keep pressing E. I'm pretty sure you guys could hear me just slam the keyboard with E. So we could go upstairs and do something, or we could go in here and do a mission. Looks like these ladies have a mission for us. This is how the inventor living in our head. It would be a shame not to put her to work. Okay.
So ladies, we're allies now, right? Truce?
Oh, definitely, darling. I wouldn't count on it.
Oh, glad we're clear on that. You want to settle it now? Just get it out of the way?
I'd rather it come as a surprise. We like surprises.
Wonderful. So,
okay, so I don't know what the storyline is, but we'll do it. You get a submachine gun, which I hardly use in this game now. Or you get the Hand of the Reincarnation. Sure, I'll do it. What's this for 30 grand? Let's do this mission, boyos. You'll need to gather raw material to cook shade, so we're just really getting materials for doing drugs.
What does Mesu want?
Yes, and in the storyline, the girl still lives in your head. In the main storyline, you find out that I think like her father is like a half demon, something about that. And the Japanese company Zilla took her body. She mutated into a giant boss, and you fought her for a couple times. Really easy if you have the Gatling gun. Her health just drains when you use the Gatling gun, especially in Fury mode. So, yeah. Oh, and what I noticed is that this game, as you progress, pretty much all the levels are the same. I mean, it's fun, don't get me wrong, but it's not something that you wanna. Why is this part 1? It's not something that collect. It's not something that you want to keep playing for hours on end, because then you will definitely get noticed. All right, here we go. We're going to use our Fury, and we're going to destroy this belly. Shade. We're gonna just chomp through everybody here. Skill point! Okay, so we almost eliminated everybody in a single Fury, but this is what I need right here to get my Fury back. There you go. Now this thing is telling me to go back. Interesting. I guess I do. Okay, so we'll want to follow the map instructions. So, if you keep hitting the shift button, the computer will freeze up, and I've been abusing the shade button. Uh-oh. That means this will be a good opportunity to get my Fury. I fell down. Excuse me. Alright, so let me just stay right here. Come on, I want my Fury. Gore is over the top. Alright, my Fury is back. Easy money. Easy money. Hey, come on, come back here. Come on. You know what, guys? Enough is enough. There it is. Alright, okay. Yeah, this heavy machine gun isn't all that great. Now that I got my Fury, I can go to the next boss area, I guess you could say. And just wipe everyone out in like 10 seconds. Oh. There it is. So watch this, everybody. Here we go. Come on. Alright, I cleared it out. And believe it or not, I was already at this level like an hour ago. Uh-oh, we got a superior berserker. And he moved down. Rest in peace, berserker. You want some of this too? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, forgot to reload. It says investigate the area. Okay, that's weird. Oh, another juggernaut. Oh no. Poor guy. Didn't even stand a chance. Poor monster. Not even want to stand a chance. Yeah, you guys like that weapon? It's my favorite. This guy can shoot. Come on, a little bit low on ammo. A super fang. Okay. Yeah, buddy. I'm already up to $200,000. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh, hello, Lo Wang, my friend. You ready to feel something?
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, look at these guys go. Oh, and one more. It's these guys. Out of all the enemies, I hate these guys the most. Because they're so, like, quick. Oh Lord. Now's a good time to use this. I can just do, like, area damage. Like this. In the face, point blank. Point blank. I pretty much attracted all the enemies on the map. Oh, missed that shot. Oh Lord. Man, my health is regenerating so fast. Oh goodness, I missed. More of them just keep coming. I missed that round. Goodness gracious, that was ridiculous. I could have used Fury, but decided not to. I mean, I can use Fury right here, right? Alright, let's finish this tumor off real quick. Uh-oh. Why isn't he taking any health? Alright. We collected the Black Rain, and let's go back. We gotta speak to the twins. And let's get our booty.
Okay, we got everything. It's like junky Christmas.
Wonderful.
Now we need to find a place for you to cook it.
Hey, not me, sisters. People blow themselves up all the time cooking this stuff.
Your little helper knows how to do it safely.
And if you do blow up, don't worry. We'll be here to piss on the pieces.
That's cute.
Awkward. Alright guys, there's obviously a ton of extra missions I have to do prior before getting to the main storyline. Pretty much I could go through the main storyline and crush everybody and everything, but take all that. But you know what? No, I want to enjoy this game. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this game, guys. Anyways, this is all I have for this episode. When you see me next time, expect me to have much better weapons and just to be even more OP than I already am. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.